Today I'm unboxing and reviewing the Nobull Knit Runner. Nobull is a brand I had never heard of before. My friend who I work out with actually was wearing it and I thought they looked really cute. I loved the design, so I asked her where she got it and she sent me the link. So I ordered my own pair. The ordering process was super smooth and easy. I just ordered it online. I actually went with a bigger size and then I emailed them to try to cancel that order or change it to a smaller size just because I thought maybe it would be too large after reading the reviews about it. And they were very responsive via email. We were able to sort it out. They canceled my first order and then sent me this pair. So I ordered the bright pink. I wanted the neon pink, but they were sold out. And then they came out with this, so I just decided to go with it. It's a beautiful color. It's like bubblegum pink, has a white sole, has reflective laces. The laces are good just to sort of tighten everything, but you actually don't really necessarily need them because how the knit part fits around your foot is kind of how it fits. The sole is very flexible. It's sort of higher by the heel and then it goes lower by your toes. So it has kind of like a heeled effect, which is good when you're running. This kind of pushes you forward. The back says Nobull. The bright pink is really eye-catching. The white sole is beautiful, but it will get dirty really fast. So I wouldn't count on that staying in pristine condition unless you're just gonna wear it inside. These retail for $159. A little bit pricey for a running shoe or workout shoe. I'm not a huge runner. I just like to do some treadmill in the gym and maybe run around the block a couple times. I'm not gonna go long distance. That being said, these shoes are great for tread and low impact, but I'm not sure how comfortable I am wearing them for something like more intense just because I feel like I need ankle support and these don't have ankle support. They're very floppy around the ankle. So if you're someone who has had a sprained ankle or had to stop running for a little bit because of your ankle, I would suggest taking it easy with these. Make sure to do your ankle circles and do low impact short runs. If that's not an issue for you, then this might still be a really great option. I do love these for running errands and taking walks just because of how soft and comfortable they are. They're easy to slip on. Really great design, really good for someone who is just gonna do a low intensity workout, short run, or has very strong ankles. The pinks are just beautiful. I can't speak for all the other colors. When they're on, you look really stylish in them. Let me know if you have any questions or leave any comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you next time.